The HELIOS project, it's a European-funded project that started in 2021, where we focused on designing and manufacturing two battery packs, one for a passenger car and the second for an electric bus. It was funded by 10 million euros by the European Commission. It took 5 years and more than 100 person-years of work. And we are at the point where we are testing a battery pack for a passenger car in Hardware-in-the-Loop, and also for an electric bus here at Bozankaya in Ankara, in Turkey. The key technology of these battery packs is that we're focusing on a dual chemistry pack. So we're combining high energy and high power cells, and we are at the point now where we're testing the battery pack, proving some of technologies, and communicating it publicly what we have accomplished. The HELIOS final event, organized today at Bozankaya in Ankara, Turkey, essentially has been a snapshot of what HELIOS project has been about. We described some of the technologies in as much detail as we could, given the time allowed. The integration, some of the benefits, accomplishments, and I think it showed some of the successful technologies that we developed in the last 5 years. I want to congratulate everyone for a job well done. I want to thank the European Commission for providing the funding for this, and thank for all the participants in the project. We had over 90 people contributing in one way or another to the project. And thank you very much for working on HELIOS.